What if a team had two captains? The players would get confused and bump into each other. What if two cooks tried cooking in the same pot? The food might get ruined. What if a school had two principals? The students would not know who to listen to. What if a town had two mayors? One might want to build a park where the other wants to build a road. What if you had two drivers trying to drive one car? The car will be out of control. Now, what if the world had two gods? One god will bring out the sun, while the other brings out the moon. People would never know when to sleep or wake up. Everything will be a mess. What if one god made a river, while the other god made it dry up? There is only one God who created everything, who is Allah. Allah makes all the seasons come and go. Allah makes the sun shine in the day and the moon come out at night. Allah makes the clouds which give us rain. Allah makes the earth go around the sun. Alhamdulillah, Allah, the one and only God, created this perfect and beautiful world. Let's practice this sentence. La ilaha illallah. There is no God except Allah. La ilaha illallah. There is no God except Allah.